Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April in the year 2025, our system has identified Costco as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, reflecting a loss of negative 0.18% thus far. This amounts to an average daily loss of negative 0.06% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 14.07% and positive 2.62%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 26.98%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 20.01% to 46.93% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price range between $1,156.22 and $1,415.58. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Costco. The Costco stock price fell by approximately 0.0933% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, declining from $964.31 to $963.41. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.87%, reaching a low of $943.16 and a high of $970.21. The stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 3.63% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock. On that day, trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.6 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1,078.24, while the lowest price was $702. Currently, the price is 10.65%, or $114.83, below the 52-week high of $1,078.24, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Costco Wholesale Corporation, ticker symbol COST, has recently encountered a mix of challenges and opportunities that could impact its stock performance in both the short and long term. On one hand, the latest reports indicate that Costco sales in March surpassed expectations, increasing by 8.6% to $25.51 billion year over year. This robust growth has led analysts from J.P. Morgan to categorize Costco as a clear market leader, highlighting its unique membership model and pricing power. However, the company is facing looming tariff risks that could pressure profit margins and necessitate price increases in the grocery and houseware sectors. While Costco is better positioned than many smaller competitors to navigate these challenges, potential recessionary pressures and global trade slowdowns from tariffs present additional risks, particularly for its international operations. In the immediate term, this combination of strong sales trends and external headwinds may result in volatility in Costco's stock price. The favorable sales figures are likely to provide a boost. However, concerns about margin erosion due to tariffs may temper investor enthusiasm. Looking ahead, Costco's solid business model, economies of scale, and resilient membership pricing strategy suggest it can sustain its profitability, potentially allowing the stock to endure economic uncertainties. Therefore, while short-term fluctuations might pose risks, Costco's established presence in the market positions it favorably for continued growth. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned Cost a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Bernstein rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, Evercore ISI rated Cost as hold with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, BMO Capital assigned Cost an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Costco. The Costco stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support is expected at the price levels of $941.91 and $958.25. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and the stock has since appreciated by 8.17%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is important to note that some negative signals have also appeared, which could impact short-term developments. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which helps to lower overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco finds support from accumulated volume at $934.41. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $27.05, which represents a change of 2.87%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Costco, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $4.22. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at $964.31. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Costco encounters its first support level at $934.41. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of March, 2025, Gary Millerchip conducted an insider sale of 1,100 shares of common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Claudine Adamo conducted an insider sale of 900 shares of common stock. On the 18th of March, 2025, Caton Freights conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Roland Michael Vacris conducted an insider sale of 3,600 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Gary Millerchip conducted an insider sale of 1,147,255 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power has been assessed as positive, with a ratio of 12.561. In total, insiders purchased 104,753 shares and sold 79,010 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $909.11, which represents a decline of 5.64%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is Costco stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, and there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, April 14th, we expect Costco to open lower by $4.48, starting at $958.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.